Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but today we're going to be reviewing this AliPearl hair. As you can see, it's really big and I'm not even going to say too much. We're just going to get right into it. So I'm starting with my wig cap on, and you can see I already put makeup inside of the lace. I just like to start it like that. You guys already know I use my Fenty Pro Filter foundation. And right here, I'm just cutting some of my bald cap off where my sideburns are because the wig wasn't passing it enough. I thought it was because maybe my bald cap was too far forward, but the wig actually ends up being too small, as you'll see later in the video. Right here, I'm cutting off the ear tabs. You're supposed to do that first, and I was trying to figure out why it was fitting so weirdly, so I cut the ear tabs off to make sure that that wasn't the reason, that it just felt small. But as you can see right here, everything from here to here is fine, and then below that, nothing is passing my sideburn area, and it don't even come far enough down in front of my ear. So the wig is just too small, but as you guys can see, I'm just installing it using that same method I always use, my blow dryer and got to be spray. I'm really not gonna go into that. And then once all of it is done and dry, you just want to cut it off in a zigzag motion with your scissors. And you can see that it's already starting to just lay perfectly. I wasn't really too worried about that sideburn area just because it wasn't working anyway. So before I cut that area off, I just went ahead and laid down the very ends of the lace that lifted up when I was cutting it off. And then I went back and cut off the little sideburn parts. And I tried to lay them a little bit just so they wouldn't be sticking straight out, but it really doesn't come over where it's supposed to be coming over, so just ignore that part. This is a 13x4 lace frontal, and as you can see, it doesn't go very deep parting wise, but the parting space is extremely natural, and I really like the density of the hair. But we're just gonna get into the baby hair, because as you guys know, I love to do baby hairs on my deep wave hair, especially when it's really curly like this. So I'm just gonna cut them first. I kind of just treated this wig like a 6x6 closure. You know those really big closures that people have on, or like 7x7. I kind of treated it like that and ignored the area that was by my ears because it didn't come all the way down. So you'll see that I don't really give that area too much attention, and I even brush my hair down over it so you can't really see it. But yeah, we're just gonna go on with our baby hairs as normal. Like I said, ignoring the area down there. I do a little bit of baby hairs down there. So here's the hair. You can see how far it comes. It actually has a lot of stretch in it, which I love because it's so curly. But we're just going to go ahead and wet it down, and then eventually you'll see me add some Eco Styler gel, and that's pretty much the extent of styling with this wig. I'm going to go in and touch up my baby hairs a little bit here and there, but for now we're just adding water and Eco Styler gel. Okay, so really quick, this is gonna be kind of unprofessional. I know y'all can hear my dog chewing in the background, but I am going to go ahead and hot comb this off camera. You guys have seen me do it so many times, but my hot comb is not long enough to reach where I'm sitting right now. I don't have an extension cord, and I'm not moving my camera to the bathroom. So I'm gonna go hot comb my hair, and I'll be right back when this is nice and dry. By the way, this is probably my favorite curly hair I've been sent, just because of the curl pattern, but I'm not gonna talk right now because I really don't want I really don't want that in the background. So I'm gonna see y'all when his hair is dry. Alright, so it's been like 30 to 45 minutes and my hair is dry. Also, they sent this in their box, but I'm gonna show you guys the box in a second. Ooh, that is laid. But we're just gonna brush out, like, I don't like how the hair is like clumped together like that, so we're just gonna kind of comb them out. But for the most part, I'm keeping the hair like this because, as you guys saw, the wig is too small on the sides, and if it blows back a little, it'd be straight. But if it can't go behind my ear, nothing, because the sides are not fitting my head. Here's all the hair to the front. It's really spongy, so it got kind of like short, but I think I'm gonna just sit here and talk to you guys and kind of run my fingers through it, because I want it, if it's gonna be this short, I would like it to be bigger. But yeah, this is the hair. I love it. Like I said, this is probably my favorite out of any curly hair that's been sent to me, just because this is like, when I think curly, this is what I'm thinking. Like, this is the hair I used to wear all the time. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the packaging and what it came in, and then we'll talk more about the company, and I'm gonna let y'all go. So as y'all know, this hair is from AliPearl Hair. I actually used to wear them when I was in, I want to say like late middle school, early high school. I used to wear them all the time. I would switch companies a lot, but I definitely remember wearing the hair. They're curly hair to be exact, so it's nice to see that it kept up like the quality. Yeah, this is from AliPearl Hair. The box just has their name. On the back it says how to care for the hair. But once you open the box, inside you're gonna see a hair wrap. And I like this one more than some other ones. They're not like the long ones like this that you can wrap around your head twice, and I like these ones way better, so I'm very happy that they sent one like this. But then I also have the bag it came in. It just says AliPearl, and then it has the hair, it has like the hair card inside. What look at my nail, but yeah, it just tells you about the hair, how to care for the hair, how to clean it, all of that good stuff. I'm not taking it out just because it's the same stuff all of them say. But it had an elastic band. Here's a wig cap. It is brown. And then lastly, my favorite thing that came with this, it came with a freaking bag. I just thought this was so cute if you wanted to store your hair in here. I personally have a lot of wigs now because of all the like companies I've been working with and stuff. So bags are not functional. I have to use the boxes and stack my boxes. But this is so cool that you can get, I don't know, I love this so much. I don't know why. I was so excited. But you can use it for like anything. You can carry your like hair stuff around when you're traveling. I don't know. But yeah, I thought it was very nice that they put like a bag in here. Like the box is just, it's just packaging, but the rest is like meant to be used. I thought that was cute. Also, one thing that I didn't just pull out the box, I left it in my room, but it's, they have like the edge brush with the comb on the end, the same thing. But that was nice. Like you could just see like they put so much stuff in it, and all you paid for was the hair. Like if you receive this, you should be taking care of your hair, because they give you all the tools to take care of it, like the head wrap and stuff, and make sure that your lace can last longer. So yeah, AliPearl. But let's go ahead and quickly review the wig, because I do have some cons that I haven't held back on. You guys already know what it is, but let's get into that. So let's do the cons first. As of right now, I don't have any cons, except for the only con I have is that the wig is too freaking small up until here if it's fine, and then after that it's way back here. This isn't even reaching my ear. Like what I did was kind of install it as if it was like one of those giant 6x6 closures, and I just kind of, everything down from this point, I'm just trying to cover it up because it don't fit. Like it's too small, and that's one of my biggest pet peeves, because you can't fix a wig that's too small. Go up a size if you can. I wear medium, no bigger, no smaller. And Like I said in a video before when I had a small wig, very rarely are my medium wigs too small. It's weird that this doesn't fit, and that just means it runs small because I am literally an exact medium. So I would go up a size in cap size if they let you select that. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the only con. And then the pros are, I love the density. I don't care for the shrinkage, but I'm not gonna put that under cons just because that's how curly the hair is. Let me read the stats to you guys. I'm gonna tell you how long this hair is just so you could see how short this is really shrinking up. So yeah, I was getting this mixed up with another company. I actually thought this was supposed to be 24 inches, but this wig is only 20 inches. The only reason I got those two wigs confused is because when I reach in the back of this one and pull the strand down, it goes literally to the bottom part of my back, which seems a lot longer than 20 inches. So I guess you're getting more than what they put, but yeah, this is 20 inches. And I thought it was supposed to be 24, and that's why I was saying I was disappointed. But no, scratch that. I love the density. I love the curl pattern. I love how it's true to length, and it seems a little bit longer than what you paid for. I also love their lace because, as you guys can see on camera, it looks amazing. There is a little bit of makeup on my lace. I used my Fenty Pro Filter foundation as always. This wig was so close to being perfect, and it's just really disappointing that it doesn't fit because that's the main factor about a wig. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment any video ideas you have below, because like I said, we're gonna get back into making more of our type of videos and not just hair videos back to back. I would love to try like new things with hair, not just sitting here and installing it all the time. So if you have any hair related video ideas, let me know. If you have any makeup video ideas, let me know. Lifestyle, let me know. All of that, I don't care. I will do anything. If you want to see a vlog, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye. Thank you for subscribing because I know you did, and I'm gonna see you in my next one.